Hello from Tech. This is the LANBERG video switch with 5 4K ports. Well, here it seems like a 3-port switch to me. It seems like a generic box that covers both models. Here we can see all the specs for this one. This is an HDMI 2.0b, that means 4K at 60 Hz for all 5 ports. So let's open this box, and it seems like there won't be any surprises with the 3-port switch here. As you can see, there is no seal while opening it, but okay, here it goes for nothing. And here we have the switch itself. This is a 5-port switch here. Thankfully there was no mistake there done. And we have some extra cables here. This must be the IR receiver. That's a nice touch. We also have the USB power cable plus a remote control to select the source of the signal. And last but not least, we have the manual. So that's all that's in the box. So let's check the manual first. We have a foldable one here. It has only 2 languages. It is in English and in Polish. Here we can see all the ports and all the specification of this product. And okay, here again we have some more information about the product. Now make sure that your HDMI cables are up to 3 meters. That is the supported length for this device to work properly. And here we have the switch itself. As you can see here, we have the input ports 2 to 4, and here we have the micro USB port for powering it up, plus the IR receiver here. And okay, on the other side here we have a couple of inputs and an output port. Here is the 5, the output and the input 1. Here we have an LED indication that shows the selected input with a key here to select, and you can also use the remote control that is included for the same function. This uses cross-like placed keys for selecting the input source, and this is all powered up by a button-like cell battery like this one, and you can place it like it's so. And now this is ready to use. Now I find this really handy, so that's a huge thumbs up for me. Apart from the specification of this switch, that still is a low-cost product, but comes with some shortcomings, like the single USB cable. That's quite lengthy as it seems, but only if you connect this one on a USB hub from your desk or your monitor / TV, but you don't have a power brick included. And now it's time to check the infrared receiver. Now here the cable seems to be really lengthy in comparison with the USB one, and here we have it. Well, this seems to be a really long one. Okay, we must, well, I did it now. Okay, so let me remove that, and here we have it. This is the receiver for the included remote control. This cable is a pleasant surprise for me. As you can see, it's a lengthy one, so you can place the switch behind your TV and have just the right placement of the receiver. And you can also fasten it with this adhesive tape here from 3M on any surface, just to be in the range of the remote control. And you stick it like it's so here on this surface, and you just have to untape the other side of this adhesive fit here and stick it on the surface you want to use it. Now we have to connect also the jack plug here in the RF port of the switch, like it's so. And now to connect the micro USB power cable here on the port. I should mention that this is my least favorite type of power connection ever. I can never get it right. Okay, I think it's this way. Okay, there it is. It's a shame that they don't include a power brick. So this was the unboxing of the LANBERG 5-port HDMI switch that, given its price, I find this a really great product. At any time, feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, and as always from Tech, thank you for watching.